Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all my pupils. So I hope you are doing well, okay, today. So for today we are going to learn grammar, and our grammar topic for today is reported speech and direct speech. So what is the direct speech? In bahasa Melayu, direct speech means cakap ajuk or dialogue, what is being said by someone. Okay, and reported speech, cakap pindah, cakap yang dilaporkan. Okay, then let's take a look at the notes on page 75 here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change, okay, reported speech to, how to change direct speech to reported speech. Okay, first example in the form of question. Okay, the direct speech is, okay, number one, what souvenirs am I going to buy for my friends? Wondered great. Okay, and when you convert it to reported speech, okay, it becomes Great wondered what souvenirs he was going. You change am going to was going. He was going to buy for his friends. Okay. Next one, number two. Have you ever seen a sand dune or dune? Tina asked me. That is the direct speech, and the reported speech is Tina asked me if or whether I had ever seen a sand dune. Okay? Sand dune means bukit pasir. Bukit pasir yang rendah, busut pasir. Okay, and the next part is reported speech in the forms of commands, arahan, or request, permintaan. Okay, so the first example of direct speech is stop the car, the police officer said to the driver. And in the reported speech, it becomes menjadi the police officer ordered, mengarahkan. You change said to ordered the driver to stop the car. And the second example, don't make noise please, Dad said to us. And for reported speech, it will be Dad asked us not to make noise. Okay, so these notes are quite short and simple, and the question or practice, okay, it's also simple and short. Okay, let's take a look at the exercise given. Rewrite the sentences using reported speech and the correct form of the verbs given, meaning tuliskan ayat berikut di dalam bentuk ayat pindah dan menggunakan kata kerja yang diberikan dalam kurungan. Okay, and you have to make sure that the form of the verbs is correct. Okay, let's do number one together. Okay, where did I leave my ticket? Mr. Jones asked himself. And when you turn it into reported speech, it will be Mr. Jones wondered where he had where he had left his ticket. So you change mine to his. Okay, I repeat. Okay, Mr. Jones wondered where he had left his wallet. Full stop. Okay, how about number two? Okay, number two. Okay, please don't step on my towel, Mary said to her brother. Tolong jangan pijak tuala saya, Mary berkata kepada adiknya. And when you change it to reported speech, it will be Mary asked her brother not to step on her towel. Okay, I repeat. Okay, Mary asked, past tense, Mary asked her brother not to step on his towel. Okay, why don't you answer the remaining question in this exercise? There are 4 more questions. Okay, and I want you to answer in your exercise book. Once you are done, okay, please snap this exercise from your notebook and send it to me personally so that I will know whether you understand or not, okay, this grammar topic. Okay, with that I end my video presentation for this part. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.